Hello, welcome to all. Welcome to this SAC training program. So let's today we will discuss these topics. So today we will discuss related to how to link a different model in SAC. Okay, in SAP Analytics Cloud. So we will cover today what is basically link different model and what are the linking types or joining types. Okay, what are the scattering charts, how to insert it into story. Even we will discuss how to stacked area chart, how will insert into story and what are the features available and how to drill it. Okay, so let's go ahead with one by one. So let's discuss link different model, how we can basically link the different model in a story. Okay, so let's come into the system. Yeah, this is basically a SAC server system. Okay, so let's start. So basically we will check here different models are available. We will use a existing model. Okay, if you select here, if you come more here, you will see so many existing models are available. Like, okay, we have best run juice sample model, we have a planned, okay, event sample model. Okay, so let's, I am taking a existing one example and I'll show you each one of the properties of each chart. Okay, so let's selecting here plan event sample model. Just double click on this, so it's going to open that model. Yeah, it is going to open it. Okay, so even you can see it is opened it. So you have to edit. If you in case any edit, you can edit it, you can more detail. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do it under here. So all the detail of the model would be here. So we are going to create a story here. Okay, so we will use this model to create a story. Okay, so let's see here. This is the icon for story. Double click on this. Okay, create a new story. Click on here. Classic design experience. Click create. Okay, yeah, so it is loading. Yeah, this is the story basically. Okay, so now let's, okay, I am going to here. You can see we have an insert. Okay, options are available, so based on your requirements, okay, you can use it. Okay, so let's here. Okay, uh, using this chart basically. Okay, click here insert. Once you insert, okay, it will ask, okay, so where is your basically model. Okay, so I have used a plan basically, right? So let's see plan model. You can search your model. Yeah, you can see plan event model are there. Just double click on this. Yeah, this is basically we have a, okay, now we will see how what is a link different model. Okay, so you can see this is a one of the model plan event sample model. Okay, so let's here, I am going to select here. You can see, just double click. Okay, see, you can see here scatter plot chart. Double click on this. See, this is the scatter plot chart. Okay, you have to add your at least x axis measure. So I am taking from number of event for 2016. Okay, now we are going to linking. Okay, so you have to add another model with, you have to link it. Okay, just double click on this. Okay, see, this is the plan event sample model. In right panel you have to choose your second model which you want to link it. Okay, so let's see, I am going to link a best run. This is one of the model. Yeah, okay, sample model is there. You can see. Yeah, you can see it is available here. Just double click. Yeah, so now I am going to link it. So you can see city. So you can see here the, it is going to linking city with the locations. See, it is the tick mark, that means it is connected. Okay, your dimension, okay, is connected. That's why I'm saying here, okay, link that model. Okay, we are going to link the model basically. Okay, so it is linked to the model. One model is a plan model, another one is a best run juice model. Okay, so it is going to connect it successfully. Now you have to click on set. Now, okay, it is connected. Okay, now you have to choose, okay, x-axis there is number of event, and y-axis you have to choose a best run juice, any key figures, or like you can choose any. Let's see, I am selecting at least. Okay, you can gross margins. Okay, you can price. Okay, let's say I'm selecting to gross margin. Okay, I have selected here gross margin. Okay, even you have to select a dimension. Okay, so which dimension? So let's see, I would like to dimension. You can see product location is going to connect. You can see this is the okay options. This is connected. This is the remark. This is connected. Just double click on this. Okay, or you can have a category. Multiple options are available, so you can choose as per your requirement. So let's see. Okay, so I'm seeing even the city even there. Okay, so it is connected. You can see like this options. Okay, if you want to change your color, you can change here the color as well. Whatever the color you want, you can change the color. Okay, so this is we have a color. Okay, and with this, if you want to see the you can just double click and see the full screen. You can see gross margin. Okay, y-axis we have a gross margin, and x-axis we have a number of event for 2016. So this is the data. You can see this is a plotter chart basically. You can see data is a Los Angeles cities. Okay, if you want to filter out, you can just double click here. You can filter out. Okay, see it is going to filter out. So this is basically we have, if you don't want to filter it, okay, so this is a plotter chart basically. X-axis basically we have all the events, okay, and y-axis we have a gross margin. So whatever the data is available, okay, so it is going to plot here the data. So this is we have a one of the basically called a charts. Okay, and okay, scatter charts. Okay, now we'll see the link basically. Okay, what are the link basically, how we can link okay the dimensions, these two dimensions, okay, two models basically. Okay, so just if you can see here, types are there. Okay, so let's, I'm going to take another chart. Okay, so let's just close this screen. Okay, now I'm inserting another chart. Okay, another chart. Okay, I am taking something here, another chart, stack area. Okay, I'm taking here stack area. Okay, now okay, you have to add at least one measure here. So let's see, this is I am selecting here. Okay, and you have to take dimension at least. Okay, so let's see, I am taking a city here, so you can see like this city. Okay, so this is we have it. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. See, this is the look like colors. Okay, so whatever you color you want, you can choose your colors. Okay, depend upon your requirement. Okay, now this is we have a one chart called okay cut area charts. Okay, now I will show you what are the link okay available here. So you can, if you see here, okay, see this is the only one model are there. So you have to here add another model here. Just double click. Okay, you can just, it's added here. Okay, it's added here. Okay, now if you see here join type, see, all primary data, we have all data, we have interacting intersecting data only. So what do you mean all primary data? That means that is a union kind of linking types. Okay, all data is disabled because of it supported only HANA data sources. Okay, and third, that is a intersecting, that is a union I mean intersections like common records between two models, it will show the data here. So this is the like basically we have a linking type. Okay, or join types you can say. So this is the way we can draw the basically this scatter. You can see this is the stacked area chart you can say. Okay, if you want to full screen, you can do full screen, see like this. So here you can see all the cities are there. Okay, according cities we have, you can see the some value are even given, okay, as per your plotter here. So whatever the you have taken here measure, okay, it is based on your city. Okay, number of events you can see here, this is the number of events. Okay, and this is the particular cities are there. Okay, so this is a basically we can say we have a scatter area and chart, and this is a joining type. So based on your joining type, okay, it is going to connected the chart. Okay, so this is we have till now. Okay, so okay, so this is we have it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it. If in case any questions, please mail us, comment us. Okay. Thanks for attending. Bye.